Does your dishwasher smell bad the moment you open it? A strong, rotten, musty, or sewage-like odor? Well, 90% of people clean the wrong part, and the smell never goes away. In this video, I'll show you the real causes and the simple steps to eliminate the smell instantly. Stay with me. This will fix your dishwasher for good. Welcome back. Today we're fixing one of the most common kitchen problems, a dishwasher that smells bad. And trust me, once you understand what's happening inside, the fix becomes super easy. Animation. Inside view of dishwasher interior. The number one reason for a smelly dishwasher is a dirty filter. All the leftover food gets trapped here, and after a few days, it starts to rot. Take the filter out. Rinse it under warm water. Scrub gently and remove all debris. If you don't clean this part, the smell will return. If the drain hose is too low or incorrectly installed, dirty water from the sink can flow back into the dishwasher. That means bad smell every single time. Lift the drain hose higher, at least 30 to 40 centimeters above the floor, so the water only flows out, not back in. If the spray arms are clogged, water won't reach every corner of the dishwasher. Unwashed food builds up, creating bacteria and odor. Remove both spray arms and clean the holes using a toothpick or pin. Sometimes a small amount of water stays under the filter area. If it becomes stagnant, the dishwasher will smell like a drain. Just remove the filter and soak up the water with a cloth or paper towel. Mold loves moist areas, especially the rubber seal around the door. If this seal gets wet food particles stuck in it, the smell gets worse. Wipe the entire seal with warm soapy water, especially the folds where dirt hides. Some dishwashers collect a thin layer of grease on the sidewalls. Over time, this creates a musty, sour odor. Run a hot cleaning cycle with vinegar or a dishwasher cleaning tablet. If you close the dishwasher immediately after a wash, moisture gets trapped inside. Moisture equals odor. After every wash, keep the door slightly open for 20 to 30 minutes to let the steam escape. Here's a quick deep clean routine that removes any smell completely. Remove filter and clean. Clean spray arms. Add 1 cup of vinegar. Run hottest cycle. Sprinkle baking soda on bottom. Run short rinse cycle. Keep door open after finish.